Yo! People! Yo! Man, do me, you, and everybody else in this world a favor. Obviously the luxury cars, it's been since like 92 or something like that. But just so you know, that's the luxury cars. Now, they're putting them in almost everything. Okay? These vehicles here. Do yourself a favor, please change your cabin filter. Look at that thing. Nasty. Walked in this car this morning. Sun rays just hitting this car just right. Man, it smells like doo-doo bunky, and throw up. Yes, double doo-doo bunky and throw up. Come on, peoples. Do yourself a favor. Do me a favor. Change your cabin filter. Cabin air filter. This is for the air conditioning. This ain't for the engine, which you should definitely always do that. But this one is your cabin filter. This is the air conditioning that runs in your car. Yes, it goes through a filter now. So, Uberto, ¿qué pasó, hombre? Yee. So, change this shit. This is nasty. I'm telling you, I walked in this car and it smelled like doo-doo bunky. Ugh, that's double doo-doo bunky, man. All right? And it's real simple. I mean, some of them are a little bit more difficult, like Chevy Silverados and stuff like that. Okay? But really, look, this is the brand new one that I'm putting in. Brand spanking new air filter. Because I can't stand stinky ass cars. All right? Now this one, they made it super easy and these people didn't even do it. I mean, it's just routine maintenance, yo. It's your responsibility and nobody else's. It is routine maintenance. Your responsibility, nobody else's. Look at that. You see how fast that was? That's it, it's done. I mean, you just pop the glove box down. Some glove boxes are a little bit more difficult than others, but still, okay? And you just pull the air filter out and put the other one in. Bam, bam, done. You see? And now, this car is not going to smell like doo-doo bunky when you turn the AC on. Like, it smelled like straight up butt and feet. Like Doritos. But the Dorito feet, yeah, and butt. When I turned this thing on this morning, I was like, no. We have to order an air filter for this thing. Look at that. All the owner's manuals. In the owner's manual, look, it looks like it's been used. It looks like somebody actually went through the owner's manual. They should have learned how to change their damn cabin filter. Super easy. So instead, they keep on putting all these little smell good things around the car because it stinks. You see these little things? Oh, here, let me make it smell good. Let me make it. Yeah, well, I like good smelling stuff too. But damn, you're covering something up, man. Don't cover it up. Fix it. And it's so simple. Ask. There's no dumb question. But yeah, guys, come on. Luis, ¿qué pasó, González? Ponte a trabajar. So, come on, flip. Oh, there you go. It's flipped. Simple. Done. I don't know, 15, 20 bucks. Done. So nasty. So come on, guys. Do yourself a favor for your own health. And do us all a favor so we don't have to smell your doo-doo bunky butts. Alright? Okay. Change that filter. Cabin filter. CF and then a part number. But just say cabin filter. Cabin air.